This is Unit 6, video number 2, practice determining polarity. So we're going to do 4 molecules here and solve polar versus nonpolar. First one is carbon dioxide. We know how to do the Lewis structure. So if we do the Lewis structure here, we're going to get carbon, oxygen. We'll end up needing 2 bonds. We'll distribute those bonds equally, and that's our Lewis structure. 2 electron clouds around this central atom. No lone pairs on it. This is a linear geometry, so it's linear literally as we draw it. Oxygen is the high electronegative element, but the pull from the oxygen is equal and opposite. This is a nonpolar molecule. Sulfur dioxide, SO2. We have sulfur, oxygen, oxygen. Go through and do the calculation here. We have 2 more electrons than we had in the carbon dioxide, and so we only need 1 bond. So this is a resonance structure. We could draw either way, and then obviously now we have 3 electron clouds because of the lone pair. One of those is a lone pair. That's a bent structure. It'll look like that. Now we have these oxygens pulling the electrons down. They're the high electronegative elements. There's nothing up here to counterbalance that. We get a dipole moment going right into those oxygens. Okay, so the electrons are being pulled down the bonds. Phosphorus trichloride, PCl3, do the Lewis structure. We're going to end up with this here. We know this central atom here has 1, 2, 3, 4 electron clouds. One of those is a lone pair. This is a trigonal pyramidal structure here, and we've got the phosphorus with the 3 chlorines. Chlorines are high electronegative elements, much more electronegative than the phosphorus. So they're drawing the electrons down. There's nothing up here to counterbalance it. We got a lone pair there on the central atom. This is polar. We're going to dipole, literally splitting the tripod right in the middle, going right into it. That's phosphorus trichloride, polar. C2H4, now we've got a carbon, carbon, hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Go through and do the Lewis structure. We need to add a bond. We have that bond in the center. Now we've got 3 electron clouds around the carbon, 3 electron clouds around the carbon. That's trigonal planar, no lone pairs. So we're going to have carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen in a single plane, but this carbon is also in the same plane. Very symmetric molecule, and we know nonpolar molecules, hydrocarbons are always nonpolar molecules.